Our Eagle Ford asset is about 230,000 acres and it sits in between Houston and San Antonio. And it's one of the most important plays because we make a whole lot of oil and gas out of an unconventional shale. So one of the best things about working with ConocoPhillips is that I get to work with a team of asset REs and a team of geologists where we're working with our landmen, we're working with our right-of-way agents, we're working with drilling and completions to lay out our plans of development for how we're actually going to drill our wells in the Eagle Ford asset. It's like a puzzle. You kind of have to put the pieces together. You have to figure out how they fit together, and it's fun. It's exciting. It's new. We're on the breaking edge of technology. We're in here drilling unconventional wells. This is the new phase. It's like the new frontier. When I think about where I am and where I am in ConocoPhillips, I'm one of the few female engineers that have actually worked kind of more on the facility side, worked more in the plant. And now I've kind of transitioned to a subsurface role. And so to be able to accomplish that, I have a lot of collaboration skills. I think you need that on a day-to-day basis because, we're not working with just machines. We're working with human beings, kind of side by side. I actually have an amazing group that I work with right now. And, kind of one of the models we have going forward is, you work hard and you play hard. So one of the things I enjoy about waking up every morning is just thinking about how my job actually affects the world. I was actually explaining to my kids, they said, "Mom, what do you do every day?" My teacher was asking, and all I know is you're an engineer. And it's like, "What do you do?" And I say, "Son," I said, "here's a picture." And I showed him a rig. And so when Mommy turns the stove on to actually cook the food, that gas is coming from something that we actually found in the ground. And then when we go to the gas station and actually put the gas in our vehicle, that gas is actually coming from some of the products that we found in the ground. And so we want to make sure, and working with ConocoPhillips, I want to make sure that my kids and my kids' kids actually have enough resources in the future to power what they need going forward.